This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
I have some more Kubernetes questions. So I have some Kubernetes question. I think that we are having some issues with this. Let's see how you solve this kind of situation. So I have two services. You can say two applications running on the same Kubernetes cluster. I think you have touched base some of this, but I want to go a little bit specifically. So by two application, by two name services, how can you restrict the communication between these services so that they are not the service is not colliding, service is not like the data is not exposing or the request is not exposing? That's my point.
Yeah, so from the very basic standpoint, we can definitely separate them with namespaces. So if you separate this from the namespace, they will still be able to call each other, but they will need to use their like different service names. So for example, if both of these services are on the same namespace, we just need to use the service name. Let's say service A to service B. If we just call with these specific names, there you will get access. But if you use different namespace, then the case will be a bit different. Let's say service A in the one namespace and service B is another namespace. You can't just use the single service name to call each other. Then you need to actually use something like service A dot the namespace name, and then it will actually go through. So this won't actually get you like rock solid isolation from service to service. But if you want to like really want to restrict all the access from one service to another, you definitely need to use the Kubernetes network policies, and that will actually like really block access from one service to another. So if you use the network policies, it will definitely block all the network communications from one service to another, even if they are on the same namespace.
Got it. I think the network policy will be the best, because in our cases we have a service, the application that's actually ensure all the user data very protected, and we want to actually restrict the service, this namespace, from anything else. Only the specific the authorized service can access this. Oh, thank you. I think you answered my question.